In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the cooling fan on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located behind the front bumper. Let's get started. Using a T25 bit, remove the 3 screws off the front apron. We're looking up at the bottom of the bumper on the corner. We're going to use a T25 bit and we're going to remove the 3 screws. Do the same thing on the other side. We have one more right here in the middle. Going through the wheel well, looking up at the corner of the bumper, we're going to have a T25 screw. Go ahead and remove that screw. Down from there, we have 2 more. Go ahead and remove those. Do the same thing on the other side. Grab the grill, and we're going to pull it forward. You'll feel the snap in the middle pull up. And you're going to take your hand and go right on the corner of this grill. And you're going to pop it out. Do the same thing on the other side. And remove the grill piece. To remove the front bumper, we need to push on all of these tabs and pull straight forward. Using a pick tool or something similar, just push on the tabs and pull out on the bumper as you go down the line. Pull out on the corner of the bumper. Go do the same thing on the other side. Remove the bumper from the vehicle. Using a T15 bit, remove the screw on the side of the air intake. There's one more just like it on the other side. Go ahead and remove that. Slide the boot back off of the intake trim. Using a T25 bit, we're going to remove the screw for that trim. Remove the screw. Do the same thing on the other side. And remove the trim piece. Remove the top bolt for the radiator fan. Using a T30 bit. There's going to be 2 bolts at the top. There's one on this driver's side and there's one at the same spot on the passenger side. We'll remove this one, go over to the other side, do the same thing. Using a trim tool, we're going to pop the plastic stay off of the fan. Push back on the red connector. You can use a small pick to help you do this. And remove the connector. Using a T30 bit, we're going to remove the bottom screws for the radiator fan. There's going to be one on either side. Go to the other side and do the same thing. Remove the screws. We're going to pull back on our coolant hose. And then we're going to pull down on our fan. And remove it from the vehicle. Install the cooling fan into the vehicle. Line the fan up with the mounting spots for the screws. Go around and install all of the screws for the cooling fan. Get the bottom right screw started, and then go do the same thing on the other side. We're going to go through and snug down these two bottom bolts. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the connector for the fan. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a push. Make sure it's locked on. And make sure you close that red locking tab. Install the lower radiator hose bracket into the cooling fan assembly. Now we're going to go to the top side of our cooling fan and get our two bolts installed. It's going to be right under the upper radiator hose. Go and get the other side installed, and then we'll snug them down. Get it nice and snug, but don't overdo it, it's going into plastic. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the bumper into place. I'm going to clip it into the middle on all of the clips. Pull the bumper up and over the headlight. Pull the corner over into place. Go repeat this same process on the other side. Pull the bumper over into place. Install the screw up through the bottom. Install the two screws through the fender liner. Install the screws up through the bumper. Get them nice and snug. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the middle screw, get it nice and tight. Install the grill into place. We have to slide that front in and it'll clip into place. Pull it back and get all of these top tabs installed under that air dam. Go down the front, locking everything into place. Install the three top bolts. Get them nice and snug. And we have one more on the other corner.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.